channel. My name is Alicia James, and in this video I just wanted to give you an update on my Microlocs. 15 months, so it's been over a year now and still no regrets. Have I had my ups and downs? Definitely. I mean, it's something that I've never done before, something that I decided to do by myself, along with the help of so many different YouTubers and blogs and Google. I feel like I can see the evolution of my locks. I can see where they are maturing. I can tell the difference from how they looked when I first started off to what they look like now. It's Alicia. I have been super busy, but I guess I'll come on and show you guys my Microlocs. Now, there are many different reasons why they look different, and we'll talk about that in this video. But overall, I'm still enjoying the experience. It's really easy. Probably the only stressful thing is having to do the retwist, and that's getting a lot better. So I normally have a little format that I like to do for my lock update videos. I'm not going to really follow that format just because I think it can get a little bit boring, because sometimes certain things in those areas that I like to cover, it doesn't change. So I'm going to talk about some of the things that have changed throughout my journey and some things that are new. In regards to appearance, my locks are definitely maturing. It's obvious, you can see that. But they do look different due to me combining some locks. So I started off with about over 500 locks. I thought I could handle that, and I could not. So I checked myself and I started to combine my locks throughout the months. I also went to a loctician who combined some locks. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But I felt like she combined a little bit more than what I wanted in regards to appearance. So I also uncombined some locks. How many locks I have right now when I'm recording this video, I don't know. I do plan to record a video where I finally count my locks again. And so I'll be able to tell you that. When my locks were combined, I actually found that my hair started to lock better. My hair is really fine, and those locks were so tiny. I had a lot of issues with slippage, especially in the back. There was one point, it was so bad in the back. I was thinking I'm probably gonna have to start this process over, but I was able to save it. I did some braid locks in the back, which helped a lot. And then again, with the combining of the locks started staying together, start loving on each other. So I definitely think combining my locks helped to kind of move that process along a lot more. Now, my loctician. So when I hit 1 year, I was like, I'm not gonna be retwisting. I don't have time to do this. And I do sometimes have time, but I don't wanna make time. I need to find somebody else who's gonna retwist these locks. So I did find someone, and I'm not gonna go into too much detail just because I felt like my experience with the actual loctician was well, but something that happened after that I just felt like was pretty unprofessional. My husband overheard what was happening, and he was just like, whoa, what was that? I'm like, I don't know. So I'm just gonna leave that there, but I don't have anyone retwisting my hair anymore, so I'm back to doing it. I've done it, I recently did it, and did I do it twice since then? I've done it on my own twice since then, and it really wasn't that bad. Do I want to have somebody who's going to be retwisting my hair? Probably, but you know, when you have a bad situation, it's just gonna take me time to heal. It's gonna take me time to heal. So I've been retwisting my own hair again, and I mean, it's 4 hours. I just, you know, that's it. I'll find someone eventually. I'm sure I'll heal and I'll look for someone. I do have a product that I'm now consistently using, so now I feel like I can really share it with you guys. Started using the Softy Light and Natural Indian Hemp Hair and Scalp Treatment. That's what I use for my retwist. I also still use extra virgin olive oil. I talk about in my retwist video really quickly how when I shampoo my hair, I still do my extra virgin olive oil rinses. Now, I didn't do this at the beginning of my lock journey. I just started doing this once I made 1 year, and I feel like my locks are starting to mature. So I'll rinse my hair with the extra virgin olive oil, some really, really warm water, and then I'll put my product in. So I'll take the Indian hemp and I'll just apply it to my hair. Then I do my retwist. I know how some people, when they do their retwist, they put the product on each section as they go. I just go ahead and put it on. That way I don't apply too much product to my hair. And then I just spritz with water as I go. But let me know if you have any other questions. Make sure you thumbs up or thumbs down the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and click the bell button so that you get the updates on my new videos. I've been back, and so many people don't know I've been back. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. I almost forgot to do my 360. And what y'all not about to do is call me out in this comment section. Mm-mm.